Cheers.
Me.
You can put your additives in it.
My additives.
Put your additives in it. Good thing about living in the van, you just get like one 6-foot lead and you can charge your devices from anywhere you want. We haven't even said hello or anything, and we're just drinking coffee and eating wafers.
I just spilled coffee on my t-shirt.
Am I surprised?
I'm so sad.
Hold on, I gotta.
Oh my word, right, okay.
Right, let's get in. Hello, welcome back. So we've got a couple of little DIY projects in mind.
First one, rather than building, because we still need to get to the hardware store to get some wood, and we'll do that pretty soon. But today is a decorative thing, because we've got this blank wall behind us that we've been wanting to do something with for a while, so we're finally going to try and do something nice on it.
Yeah. So we picked up these mirrors from IKEA, literally about, oh, that was blinded. Halloween, how fitting. So we picked up these mirrors. Yes, we picked up these mirrors from IKEA like 2 months ago. So they're right here, these mirrors. Oh, hello. And another couple of bits of decorative stuff. We've got some leftover ivy from...
Oh, you look like you're that girl from Midsummer right now.
Here I am.
Right, so we've got the mirrors, we've got a bit of ivy, and we're going to try and place them on this wall and see if we need to fill the space out with maybe some macrame decoration. We're going to start decorating now.
So yeah, just for context, so to this area that we're looking to do something decorative in, because right now it's just kind of a blank space, and I think that'll be really cool.
Really cool.
So we're thinking if we put some mirrors up there, then it'll reflect the light into the van and it'll kind of open the space a little bit. Yeah? Cool. So let's get some tools out. This is our futon that usually lives in the van, but it's just a little bit worse for wear right now. So that's another project that I want to make a new one. Stay tuned for that. Some tools out. Run out of screws here, man. I've provided a miscellaneous array of screws for you to choose from, my darling.
Okay, let me have a look.
Which one
Oh, what are these? These
tickles your fancy? I've got these. I found these in my toolbox.
No.
What do you mean? They're like...
Absolutely not. Put them away.
While I've got the drill out, or just a screwdriver, everybody can relate to this. Am I right?
I know, they all get so loose so fast.
Not no more. Look at that.
Oh, sturdy. Oh, they look so shiny.
Can get your thumbprints on them there.
Try not to. Hey man, they look so lovely, don't they? I almost want them to just sit on the counter. They look so lush.
They're pretty cute. Ooh, that's cool. I kind of like that.
This is what I'm married to.
Now you're like, you can always see what you look like. So then you can always look and be like, oh, my bun is falling out. Bun
Here, my bun's actually alright today. Okay, so back to reality. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my word, it's proper alive looking.
And if you get hungry, you can just...
No, please don't. She's got so few leaves left. Okay, so I'm well chuffed for that. I think it looks ridiculously cute. That blank wall had just kind of been bothering us because it wasn't really doing anything.
Yeah, it's such a good use of that space.
I think it looks so good. Let us know down in the comments, what would you do to make this better? Is there anything that you think we could add to it to make it a bit more texture, a bit more dreamy looking? And I definitely said dreamy because I seen the cat treats out of the corner of my eye and they're called dreamies.
We don't have a cat.
Let us know if you think we can add anything else to it, and otherwise we will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah,
like,
see you guys.
comment, subscribe. Peace.
Bye.
Bye.
Do you want to pop out?